Let's talk about everybody's favorite subject, student loans. So today we're going to explain and interpret them. So first of all, a student loan, if you're not familiar, is money used to help cover the cost of tuition, fees, books, room and board, and anything else we might need. Now, just a heads up, right? Scholarships and grants are also money used for this, but they do not need to be paid back, which is great. So if you can get scholarships and grants, recommend that. Student loans, you pay back with interest. So not only do you pay back the amount you borrowed, you pay back more. So we have federal loans versus private loans. Now, there's different interest rates. There's different origination fees. Payback requirements may differ. So versus federal loans, you start the payback of the process after graduation. That's when interest starts accumulating. Where private loans, you start paying back while you're in school and interest starts accumulating right away. We have a whole different video on the differences between federal and private loans. So feel free to check that one out. Let's go ahead and talk about an example here. You're deciding between two options for a student loan. Both have the same interest rate, number of years, and the payback will begin after graduation. If loan A has an origination fee of 3% and loan B has an origination fee of $600, which is the better option for your $34,000 student loan? Okay, so we are comparing loan A and loan B. Now, loan B is just a static $600 fee. Great. But loan A is 3% of the $34,000. So we need to figure that out. Now, 3% of $34,000. Remember, the word of means multiply. So I change my 3% to a decimal and multiply by 34,000. When I do that, I get $1,020. So the fee for loan A is $1,020, while the fee for loan B is just $600. So hopefully you can see by this way, loan B is definitely the better option. So it's important, while you might look at this and say, $600 is a lot of money to pay for a fee, and 3% doesn't seem that bad. Well, that's why it's important to know the math, because 3% of $34,000 is over $1,000, which is way more than $600. So in this case, let's go with loan B.